So we're at Paper Mill Lock. We're about to go on there, and it is a beautiful day. Absolutely stunning. Look at that sky. Barely a cloud. This is our gear. Mike was kindly loaning me a boat today to give it a try, and we're just getting set up and ready to go. So see you later. You? All right, Mick. So we've stopped for a little break. We're going to leave the yaks out. You probably saw my exit from that in the clip from earlier on that I've hopefully captured, and basically took the attitude that the boat's on fire, get out. It seemed to work, I didn't fall in. The reason we've stopped is we're going to have a walk over the weir, which is this, the lock. This is lovely and green, not a carpet, don't try and walk on it. And we've come across here just to go and have a look at the weir pool over the other side. Look at that. See, I should bring Tina down here. She'll have a little look at this.
Yeah.
You say them blokes went down that?
Yeah. Fell in. Right there.
Brilliant.
I ended up over there. He pushes you. Matt was over there and they pushed up over there.
Nice.
I'm laughing head off.
No way you get me going down that on a kayak, mate. Well, that was fun. We stopped at the lot for a little while. So as you saw, Mick was having a little bit of flick around his fishing rod. The lady came along, we was having a little chat with her. She had a nice little border collie dog with her. And she was just telling us that the dog didn't like the water. And it just stepped off the edge of the lock into the water. And I just had to reach down and grab him by the scruff of the neck and pull him out, poor little sod. What was his name, that dog? Reg, wasn't it? Yeah, so I saved... Yeah, I saved Reg from the water. And his owner Judy thanked me for it because he was an idiot. Anyway.